That's what we're going to do.
Perfect.
Okay, so it's back to principles where we know we want light into the center of this.
Correct.
And we really want this whole thing to look like a wine glass or a goblet. That's our goal. So light in the center, plenty of airflow around the entire part of the tree is what we're looking for. So we want to do things like, well, one, if you'll hand me the loppers.
Okay.
We're going to cut this back a bit because this is just wood that's looking for a chance to die back. And so we're going to remove it just above that node.
Okay.
So that we can get a good clean cut there. We won't have any rot or dieback
Sure.
from it. Then this branch is growing into the center.
Sure.
So that's going to interfere with our entire growth. So this is what we call a thinning cut, which means we're going to remove the branch all the way back to the trunk. And this has a very small branch collar, but you can see where that division is, and we'll just snip that off. And then this one as well, growing into the center.
And now on this one, same thing?
That one would be the same, and especially this one.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
And if you can, we'll grab the one behind it when we move.
Alrighty.
So we have this branch, which is a nice healthy branch, and it has buds on it. And this is what gets hard for people, is to say, oh, that could be a peach
I know,
this year.
right?
But we have other growth here that we can choose from. And this branch is facing in a proper direction. And it's only about 10 inches long, which is
Sure.
good. The tree is young, and we don't want it to bear a heavy crop anyway.